Hello everyone, welcome back to the series on easy acrylic painting techniques on my channel Art for Kids. In today's video, I'll show you how to paint a Christmas tree on a snowy night. Here are a couple of things that you'll need: a canvas, some acrylic colors, and I have taken some glitter that I'm going to be using to decorate my Christmas tree. And I have some brushes, some sponge brushes and some normal brushes here, and I also have a fan brush. So this is the brush that I'm going to be using to actually paint the Christmas tree. So if you are all ready, let's get started. So in the first step, I am going to do a background. I'm going to color the background blue. So I'm using this brush and just going to color all of my background blue. So I'm mixing both of my blues here and coloring it. So now I'm going to show you how to draw the tree. I'll take some green color on it. So this is where I'm going to position it. So as we are going up, has to thin. So I'm using this point. So next, I feel like I should draw some snow. So I'm going to use my sponge and get in some white color in there. Make sure that it's not dry. So once I have done some snow, I feel like there should be some snow on the tree as well. So just use a brush and some white paint to make some snow on the tree. Like this. The next step, like the previous video, I'm going to drop some white paint by tapping on my brushes. Make sure that your brush is not dry, then this would not work so much. So I'm going to make the bottom of the tree a little dark with some blue color. There. In the next step, I am going to do some little red, yellow and green bulbs on the Christmas tree for some decoration. I'm just using a normal brush. So I'll do some red color, just put some dots here and there. Then you can use some red glitter also. Similarly, I'm going to use my yellow and green colors. So now I have added yellow and all the colors. Then I'm going to add some more golden glitter on the top. I think there. If you want, you could also add like a moon on the side. So I'm going to mix it with a little gray, so it should look not so much gray though. I'm just going to do a little more snow. So I feel that it became light. So, and then there it is. Once you're done with the snow, you can just fix anything you feel like you need to modify more. And we have our painting. I hope you all tried this out at home and let me know how it went. Like, if you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.